Hello students, welcome to Sri Jayendra's Rank Zone classes. I am your friend and mentor for coming classes with respect to business mathematics and statistics. This is lecture number 5th, chapter number 17, theoretical distributions. In this lecture, we will solve the questions of exercise set B. Write down the correct answers. Each question carries 2 marks. First question: what is the standard deviation of the number of recoveries among 48 patients when the probability of recovering is 0.75? Here we have to find out the standard deviation. What is the standard deviation of the number of recovering among 48? Total number of n is equal to 48 patients. Here probability is given, p is given 0.75. Then you can find out the q, 1 minus p. So 1 minus 0.75 is equal to 0.25. First, what is the formula of standard deviation? Do you remember it or not? I will tell you. Standard deviation SD formula is under root of NPQ is equal to under root, put the value of n, 48, p 0.75, q is 0.25. (48) 75 by 100, 25 by 100, 25 4s are 75, 25 3s are 75, 25 4s are 4 12s are 4 3s are is equal to 3 3s are 9. Under root 9 is equal to 3. So here standard deviation SD is equal to 3. So which option is suitable? Option D. Option D is the answer of question number 1. Okay. Question number 2. X is a binomial variable with n is equal to 20. What is the mean of x if it is known that x is symmetric? X is binomial variable with n is equal to 20. So here n is given, n is equal to 20. Here x is symmetric. X is symmetric. It means then p is equal to q is equal to 1 by 2. What is the mean? So here we have to find out the mean. Okay. Mean, it means NP. N and P, value of N and P, put into this formula NP, N 20 into P 1 by 2. 2 tens are 20, 10. So mean is equal to 10. So compare with the options A 5, no, B 10, yes. So option B is the right answer. Now move to the next question, question number 3. If x is b and p, x is variable of b and p, what would be the greatest value of the variance of x when n is equal to 16? Here we have to find out the greatest value of variance. Okay. First, what is the formula of variance? Variance is equal to NPQ. Standard deviation is equal to under root NPQ. Okay. Here, what would be the greatest value of variance of x when n is equal to 16? Here, maximum value of PQ is 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. P is equal to 1 by 2, Q is equal to 1 by 2. So it is 1 by 4. What would be the greatest value of the variance of x when n is equal to 16? Consider the two variable x and y. So x plus y is equal to 16. Okay. So there is a combination 1 plus 15 is equal to 16. 2 plus 14 is equal to 16. 3 13. 4 12. 5 11. 6 10. 7 9. 6 10. Repeat. So not need to write. So here 8 8. Okay. So 1 plus 15 16. 2 plus 14 16. 3 plus 13 16. 4 plus 12 16. 5 plus 11 16. 6 plus 10 16. 7 plus 9 16. 8 plus 8 16. Okay. Here multiply both. 1 into 15 15. 2 into 14, 28. 3 into 30, 39. 4 into 12, 48. 11 into 5, 55. 6 into 10, 60. 7 nines are 63. 8 eights are 64. Here the greatest value is 64. Okay. 8, 8. 8, 8. So, difference between the two number, when difference between two number is less, then product value is bigger. Take 8 minus 8, it is 0, and 8 is 64. Okay. So, here variance is equal to N P Q. N is 16, P Q 1 by 4, 4, 4s are 16 is equal to 4. So, option B is the right answer. 4. Okay. Next question. Question number 4. If x is a binomial variate with parameter 15 and 1 by 3, what is the value of mode of the distribution? If x is a binomial variate n comma p, n is equal to 15, p is equal to 1 by 3. What is the value of mode of the distribution? Here largest integer value of n plus 1 into p, n is 15 plus 1 into 1 by 3. 15 plus 1 is 16 by 3 is equal to 5.33. Here we require largest integer value. So, largest integer value is equal to 5. So, option B is the answer. 5. Okay. move to the next question. Question number 5. What is the number of trials of a binomial distribution having mean and SD as 3 and 1.5 respectively? So here given mean is equal to 3. Standard deviation is equal to 1.5. Mean means n into p is equal to 3. SD means under root n p q is equal to 1.5. So take both sides square, root npq square is equal to 1.5 square. So npq 1.5 into 1.5. Here np is equal to 3. Use into this formula. 3q is equal to 1.5 into 1.5. So q is equal to 1.5 into 1.5 divided by 3. 3 5s are 15, 0.5. 15 5s are 75. So 0.75. So q is equal to 0.75. So here we can find out the p from q. P is equal to 1 minus q. 1 minus 0.75 is equal to 0.25. So put into this formula, n is equal to 3 by p. 3 by value of p is 0.25 is equal to 3 into 100 upon 25. 25 fours are 100. 3 fours are 12. So n is equal to 12. This is the answer. So what is the number of trials? So number of trial is 12. So option D is the right answer. Okay. Now move to the question number 6. What is the probability of getting 3 heads if 6 unbiased coins are tossed simultaneously? So here n is equal to 6. What is the probability of getting 3 heads if 6 unbiased coins are tossed simultaneously? P is equal to probability of head is equal to 1 by 2. Coin has two sides. Okay. So probability of head comes is equal to 1 by 2. Probability of tails comes is also 1 by 2. So q is equal to 1 minus p. 1 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. So here x is equal to number of head. Okay. So getting 3 head. So probability of x is equal to 3 simultaneously. So 6 c3 p cube q raised to 6 minus 3. Here we are using the formula p of x is equal to ncx. ncx p raised to x q raised to n minus x. So 6 into 5 into 4, 3 into 2 into 1 into 1 by 2 cube into 6 minus 3 is 3. So 1 by 2 cube. So P of x is equal to 3 is equal to 3 to the 6, 6 cancel. 20 into 1 by 2, 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 1 by 2. 2 to the 4, 4, 5 is 20. 5 upon 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16. 5 by 16. So 16 divided by 5, 0. 5 3 is 15. 5 2 is here 5 by 16. So 16, 0. 16 3 is 48. 16 1 is 16. 40. 16 2 is 32. 16 5 is 80. So 0.3125. So here option C is 0.3125. So option C is the right answer of question number 6. Okay. Next question. Question number 7. If the overall percentage of success in an exam is 60. If the overall percentage of success in an exam is 60, what is the probability that out of a group of 4 students, at least one has passed? At least. So here, overall percentage of success. So P is equal to 60 by 100. 0 0 2 3 is 2 5 is P is equal to 3 by 5. You can find out the Q from 1 minus P. So 1 minus 3 by 5. 5 minus 3 by 5. 2 by 5. Okay. What is the probability that out of a group of 4 students? So n is given, n is equal to 4. At least one has passed. So probability of x greater than or equal to 1. We can write as 1 minus probability of x is equal to 0. So 1 minus NCX P raised to x Q raised to n minus x. Now put the value n is equal to 4, x is equal to 0. 1 minus 4C0 P raised to 0 Q raised to 4 minus 0. 1 minus 4C0 is 1. p raised to 0 is 1. Q raised to 4. Q, value of Q is 2 by 5. 2 by 5 raised to 4. So 1 minus 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16. 5 5 za 25 5 za 125 5 za 625. So 625 minus 16 by 625 is equal to 609 by 625 is equal to 0.9744. So option B matches with the answer. So option B is the right answer. Now move to the next question. Question number 8. What is the probability of making 3 correct guesses in 5 true minus false answer type questions? 5 true false answer type question. What is the probability of making 3 correct guesses? X is equal to 3. In 5 true false, 5 true, number of total question is 5. So probability of true is 1 by 2. Probability of false is equal to 1 by 2. So 3 correct guesses. So P of X is equal to 3. NCX P raised to X Q raised to N minus X. Now put the value 5C3 1 by 2 cube 1 by 2 5 minus 3. 5 into 4 into 3 3 into 2 into 1 into 1 by 2 cube means 2 to the 4 to the 8 into 1 by 2 square 1 by 4 3 3 4 4 is equal to 5 by 16. So 5 by 16 it means 0.3125. 0.3125. So option A is the right answer. Now move to the next question. Question number 9. If the standard deviation of a Poisson variate X is 2. So here standard deviation of Poisson variate X is 2. What is P? 1.5 less than X less than 2.9. So here probability of 1.5 less than X less than 2.9. So here we have to use Poisson formula. P of X is equal to e raised to minus m into m raised to x upon x factorial, where x is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 up to infinite. Here between 1.5 and 2.9 the value is 2. standard deviation of Poisson-Variet x is sigma is equal to 2, m is equal to sigma square, 2 square is equal to 4. Probability of x is equal to 2 is equal to, because between 1.5 and 2.9 2 is there. So p of x is equal to 2 e raised to minus 4 into 4 square upon 2 factorial, 16 2 into 1 into e raised to 4, 2 8s are 8 by e raised to 4. Remember the value of a every time. Okay. So what is the value of e is, so value of e is 2.71828. So remember all the time. Okay. 8 by 2.71828 raised to 4. So 8 by 2.71828 raised to 4, after dividing we will get the 0.4165 and approximately 1465. .144. Okay. So option D is the right answer. You can take, instead of 2.71828, you can take E is equal to 2.72. Okay. If we take 2.72, then the approximate value is 0.144. So option D is the right answer. Now move to the next question, question number 10. If the mean of a Poisson variable x is 1, what is p probability of x is equal to takes the value at least 1? Here mean of a Poisson variable x is mu is equal to m is equal to 1. Okay. So for Poisson, p of x is equal to e raised to minus m, m raised to x, x factorial. Okay. So here we require the probability of x is equal to at least 1. It means probability of x greater than or equal to 1. So you can write 1 minus probability of x is equal to 0. So 1 minus e raised to minus 1, 1 raised to 0 upon 0 factorial. So 1 minus e raised to minus 1. So 1 minus 1 upon E. E minus 1 divided by E. So put the value of E is 2.71828 minus 1 upon 2.71828. After solving this, we will get 0.6321. So now compare with the options. So option C, approximate value is 0.632. So option C is the right answer. Option C is the right answer. Now next question is question number 11. If x variant of p of m and its coefficient of variation is 50, what is the probability that x would assume only non-zero values? So here coefficient of variation is equal to 50. What is the probability that x would assume only non-zero values? SD is equal to sigma is equal to under root m. Mean is equal to mu is equal to m. So CV is equal to 50. So formula is SD upon mu into 100 is equal to 50. 50 to the 100. So SD is equal to or here you can put SD, you can put root m. Instead of mu, write m into 2 is equal to 1. So root m cancel. So 2 upon root m is equal to 1. So root m is equal to 2. And p of x is equal to 0 e raised to minus m raised to 0 by 0 factorial. So e raised to minus 4 1 into 1. So 1 upon e raised to 4 is equal to, put the value of e, 2.71828 raised to 4. So it is 0.0183156,882. So 1 minus p 1 minus p of x is equal to 0. So 1 minus 0.01831568882 is equal to 0.9816843112. Approximation is 0.982. So option B is the right answer, 0.982. Option B is the right answer of question number 11. Now move to the question number 12. If 1.5% of items produced by a manufacturing unit are known to be defective, what is the probability that a sample of 200 items would contain non-defective items? So here P is equal to 1.5 by 100. Zero point 015. N is equal to 200. Mu is equal to NP. N is equal to 200. If 1.5% of items produced by a manufacturing unit are known to be defective, what is the probability that a sample of 200 items would contain non-defective item? So here N 200, P 0.015, 200 into 15 by 0.000 cut. 2 5s are 10, 5 3s are 15, so 3. Mu is equal to M is equal to 3. Probability of x is equal to 0. For P of x is equal to e raised to minus m raised to x upon x factorial. So P of x is equal to 0. E raised to minus 3 into 3 raised to 0, 0 factorial. So e raised to minus 3 into 1 by 1. So it is e raised to minus 3 is equal to 1 by e cube, or 1 upon 2.71828 cube is equal to 0.04978. So approximate value is 0.5, 0.05 A. That answer matches with the option A, 0.05. Now move to the next question. But here this lecture is over here. Next time we will start with the question number 13. Okay. So remember all the formulas. Okay, so see you soon. Bye bye.